Hello everybody, it's G, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to fix the Your Connection is Not Private error on Google Chrome. It's super easy, so I'm going to walk you guys through it, and let's jump right in. So if you're trying to go to a website on Google, and you type in the URL, and the website loads up a page like this, where it says Your Connection is Not Private. This can happen for one of two reasons. First reason being that the website itself is not safe. Now, when your browser deems a website as unsafe, you should never access it unless you know 100% that it is a safe website. Now, let's say you do know it's a safe website. You can click this advanced button right here. And once it opens, it'll say at the bottom, proceed to, and then the website itself. Now, it tells you one last time that it's deeming it as unsafe. But if you know 100% that it is safe, you can click this, and it will take you to the website. Now, let's say that the website is safe and it's only showing up like this on your browser. Now, that's an issue with your browser itself. So what you have to do is you have to restart your DNS, which is super simple. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to your Start menu. You can either do that by hitting the Windows key or going to your taskbar and looking in the bottom left where you see the Windows logo. You want to open that up, and then you want to go on the search, and you want to type CMD. You'll see command prompt open, and you want to click that to open it up. Once this is open, you want to type a simple command line. I'll display it on the screen for you guys, but it's ipconfig /flush DNS. Now, this will reset your browser DNS, so it will fix the issue. You want to hit enter. Now, I'll give you this message right here. When you get this message right here, that'll tell you that it works successfully. You're going to want to close the command prompt, and then you're going to want to restart your browser. Once you restart it, it should take this error off the screen. If this helped, make sure you leave a like and drop down in the comments what tutorials you want to see from us next. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.